Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of DBMS. This question was asked in GATE CS 2014 set 2 question number 22. Given an instance of the student's relation as shown as below. This is the student instance. For student name, student age to be a key for this instance, the x value should not be equals to dash. It is saying student name and student age to be key, what should be x value. So for key it should be unique. Now Swati 19, Swati 18. In both the cases age are different, so they are unique. Ganesh 19. Here Shankar, here is Shankar, here age is 19. So Shankar 19 is already there. The x value cannot be 19. If it will be 19, then it will be no more unique and it cannot be key. So it can be any other value rather than 19. There are two Shankar, one Shankar age is 19, so this x value cannot be 19. I already discussed keys, just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.